Flagship LT comes standard with 2 Maxx Air Fans. Each of those can be run off a single remote. The units do have a keypad on each one that is very intuitive for the user, so today we're going to go over the remote. When you want to trigger the fan, make sure that you're pointing and clicking. So the first thing I do is turn the fan on. From there, you can see that the fan is at 70% and air out, and that the top is open. If you want to raise or lower the speed, simply press the smaller fan or larger fan, and it goes up to 100% and has 10 positions. From there, if you want to change the exhaust direction, press this button here, and you can have air pulling out or air going in. When you're ready to trigger the next fan, you're going to have to press the on button twice. One, to let it know that you're working with that unit, and then to let it know that you want to turn it on. So once that fan turns on, realize that it's going to default to the same positions that this fan had. So it's going to be 70% air out. If you want to circulate air, we recommend pressing the exhaust button so that it's pulling air in and that one's pulling air out. Also, the Maxx Air Fans have a really great feature, which is the thermostat setting. You press the auto button here, and then you can set the temperature that you want the fans to kick on. They'll go to the settings that you have them set at that moment. So if you're going on a hike and you wanted the fans to kick on at 75 degrees, you would simply just press the plus or minus temperature to get the set temp to 75 so that the fans will know to kick on at that time. From there, the last feature is the raise and lower the cover. That is done in case it's raining. You want to close the cover, but still run the fan in ceiling fan mode to circulate air. We're really happy with the Maxx Air Fans. Thanks so much.